Hi everyone, it's me, Akemi 井原。皆様ごきげんよう。May Akemi 井原です。Today, I'm going to show you our house, so we can learn together how to say the parts of the house in Japanese language. I am not interested in any interior decorations or any stylish miscellaneous products.So probably there's nothing here in my house that will fascinate you. And also my house is not so big and not so special. Thus, please don't expect too much. I have to apologize in advance because my sons are too shy, so they don't want to show their rooms on SNS.I suppose that some of you want to know the price of this house, so I will reveal the price after the lesson. Please stay tuned, and let's get started. 始めます。車庫、車庫、車、車。This is my Aisha beloved car.Driving on the coastal road is my favorite pastime. 自転車、自転車。玄関、玄関。裏庭、裏庭。In Japan, separating garbage is complicated. There are too many categories. I put several ゴミ箱 here in 裏庭. When I threw a garbage, I opened this window from inside the house. Then I put it into ゴミ箱 outside.叩き、叩き。We remove our shoes here. 靴箱、靴箱。靴、靴。サンダル。傘、傘。花瓶、花瓶。印鑑、印鑑。トイレをお手洗い、お手洗い。お客様用トイレ。This is お客様用トイレ。Since last year, I haven't invited any guests, so no one has been using this toilet now. 今、今。I don't have my own study room, so I usually read books or type scripts at 今。テーブル、テーブル。椅子、椅子。時計、時計。エアコン、エアコン。空気清浄機、空気清浄機。掃除機、掃除機。カーテン、カーテン。窓、窓。ピアノ、ピアノ。照明、照明。This is a mopping machine. I don't know how to say in Japanese. 和室和室。The bedroom was on the second floor before, but since I threw the bed away, I sleep here. I use a Japanese futon. I feel much more comfortable sleeping on a futon than on a bed. Futon can be washed and be folded. Here is my kitchen, which is my favorite place. 冷蔵庫冷蔵庫。This kitchen is small like a cockpit, but for me it's enough. I cook every single day. I cook not only Japanese meals but also Filipino, Chinese, Korean, Italian, French, and so on. I posted some cooking videos before, so if you are interested, please check the link below. 炭酸水メーカー、コーヒーメーカー、湯沸かし器、電子レンジ。お皿、お皿、お茶碗、お茶碗。洗面所、洗面所。洗面所 is a room where you can brush your teeth, wash your face, do the laundry, and take off your clothes before going into the bath. 洗濯乾燥機、洗濯乾燥機。Since I bought this 洗濯乾燥機, I haven't been hanging laundry outside. It is operated by an AI and completes its job according to my preference. お風呂場、お風呂場。I usually take a long bath at night. 除湿機、除湿機。This is rice bran, 米ぬか。Instead of using soap, I usually use rice bran. You can control the temperature and amount of water with this panel. Let's go to the second floor. 2階、2階。1階、1階。階段、階段。No one uses this room now. 5 exchange students had stayed in my house before, so after the pandemic, we will welcome another exchange student. These are coats, a dress that I wore on the stage, and morning dresses for all seasons. This is a お手洗い for the family. I used this room as a bedroom, but now I use here when I do yoga and dance. 本棚 本棚 This big bookshelf was filled with many of my books before, but I sold most of them. Now it is filled with my son's manga. 和ダンス 和ダンス I inherited kimono from my mother and my grandmother. クローゼット クローゼット We have 4 seasons in Japan, so we need a variety of clothes suitable for each season. 服 服 I used to check several fashion magazines and follow a trend. I loved fancy dresses or casual attires on many things. But as you can see, I don't have many dresses now. Because after a winter season, I usually bring most of my winter clothes and sell them at a second-hand shop. And after summer season goes, I bring my summer clothes there. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As for the price of this house, it is about 2000万円. 2000万円. We bought the land first and had a construction company build the house. The land price was about 3000万円. 3000万円. So the total is 5000万円. 5000万円. But that's in Japanese. Can you translate the numbers to English? If not, you should check my videos about how to say numbers in Japanese. I will post the link below. So, the price of the house is about 20 million yen, and we bought the land first for 30 million yen. So the total is about 50 million yen. Did you get all the numbers right? I didn't mind about the exterior so much, but I read many books about architecture, structure, and construction before we built this house. I was picky when it came to internal structure. I offered a lot to an architect to build an earthquake-proof house. Okay, if you think this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please comment them down below. See you next time. それでは皆様、ごきげんよう。